to open that one?
Yeah.
I don't know what's in this one.
Mommy.
I know it's in that one.
Mom, can you open it? I can't.
Come on, Abs.
What is it? Ellie, just stop.
Hold on. You...
Um.
There's another box inside of us.
Come
Look what came in. I wanted to get your reaction on video.
Hello. New book.
Can you say hi
It's
to
gonna be
you?
a new book. I love rocks. Rocks are my favorite. Geology.
No, don't touch. I know. Here, Fisher, let's see what's in the box. He likes to press the button. So, this is unboxing number 3. This is our curriculum from Master Books. Look at the book, Fisher. Whoa. We got the Big Book of History. One of our other focuses this year is timeline. Timeline, individual readers. What's that, Abs?
I don't know.
Is that your next language book?
My next language arts book. For
Okay.
me and Cole.
For you and Cole. That is correct. That is going to be for Benny. We did end up getting the, no, don't touch the red button. No, don't. Okay, Abby, what'd you find?
I found 2 new math books.
So this is Ellie's for this year. And this is Ben's. And we'll probably start this halfway through the year. He, I feel that I want him to get the practice with the writing.
What's this?
That's catalog. That's all the books I have. So, yeah. So we also got to go with this book, the teacher's guide. I felt like just looking at the previews, it had a lot of little extras that I felt was good to add. It's nap time. So to follow up for Ben and Ellie, I got Foundation Phonics. Oh no. Okay. Nose. So to go along for Ben, I don't know. Okay. We will probably start this next year, but while I was ordering and had free shipping, I went ahead and ordered this. This will be for his first grade year. I got the print and then I got the digital, and my plan is to print like little workbooks for them. There's 2. There should be 2. Yeah, 1 green, 1 yellow. Hope it doesn't shake. Messing with the toy box. There we go. See if that makes him happy. So we got More Than Words 1 and 2. I don't know which one's 1. 1 and 2. Our oldest, I'm just going to give this to him. He's very independent. And they kind of go along with the same theme, but different stuff on different days. And I'm going to make workbooks for my other kids, and we're going to do this in morning time. That's their Bible. To go with our science for CC Cycle 3, we added minerals. These are just beautiful books.
This is a volcano that's erupting.
Again, since I had enough in my order for free shipping, I wanted to get, I let my oldest pick out a book he would want. I eventually want this whole series, so we're slowly collecting. Is that it? I think so. So we got a couple of the digitals, and I think that's pretty much it. So this was our biggest order. So what did they say, Abs?
I don't know.
Let the message of Christ dwell among you richly.
As you
Teach and demolish.
one another.
Colossians.
Colossians 3:16.
God bless, and that's who packed it for us. JP. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
So we are very excited to we are going to add America's Story 1, 2, and 3. And we're gonna add my story, but I think I might wait until my story for next year. And we're gonna kind of focus on America's story, because that goes with cycle 3 this year.
And I'm still my camera.
I think that's pretty much it. We're really looking forward to these. I'm really looking forward to this. And I think this is going to be a really good fit for my little...
So that's actually the first
That's the
one?
Kinder, yeah.
Wow, that's the actual
They have really liked 2.
We have another one kind of like this.
Yep.
And we are almost done with it.
Yep.
Already. And we kind of just started.
So that's pretty much what we got. You want to open this real quick before we go? 'Cause this is fun.
Rip it!
Sorry if that's loud. Okay, watch this, Abs.
Can I open
So
it
you
up
can
now?
read it like kind of like a book, but it
I
also...
saw that in the town.
Yeah?
Our town. That picture near a restaurant. Or you could just go like this and say, read,
Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't rip it.
read. And then you could just be done. Like that. Like
Pull it back. Pull it back.
is.
So yeah, that's our...
That explains why it's so big.
I'm glad we went with the case bound, so I gotta stay with so many kids. Help protect them. He can't get a toy from his toy box. Oh, do you want that one?
I'm gonna take this and go with it.
Okay. Make sure no little touch it. Can you put it back gently? Okay, can you... Sorry, this room's a mess. We haven't done chores yet today.
We haven't cleaned it yet. Ellie has to do extra chores. Yeah.
Because she didn't. She wouldn't go to bed last night. Okay. What do you think about your curriculum?
I like it.
You excited?
Yeah. Most excited.
Okay.
Probably. Okay, now I'm gonna open this up and see actually.
Okie doke. Have a great day. Say bye, fishy. Say, here. Ready?
This is bigger than I thought it was.
Which book? You want the fishy? Can you wave and say bye? Press the button.
Mommy.
Yes, fishy. Did you press the button?